Yo, one of the lead. So I want some different type of reaction because I dropped the Tamale reaction. I think it was yesterday I drop it. Not Tamale performance on Phonetic. I think it was the stage show when this massacre. So I want some different type of reaction. So one more, yeah. Tamale at Sting 2013. Now, let's go.
The pain I feel in
Bombo clot.
Emotions that I never show.
Oh, what channel is step on? Oh, Tamale channel, okay.
But I've walked this lonely road before. I've my smart and soul.
Live bands.
I was born to conquer. I was raised and trained for a while.
Looking at crowd.
I'm my smart and soldier till my life is over, till my heart can't beat no more. More see everybody on August, so all who know them can defend themselves. Thank God me alive. Big up real boss, you see me? Big woman thing. Yeah man, thank God for life. You know I'm one telling you, Jam Real, when you drive safe home. Power, one drop, me born from me born, but where me from, live by the sword,
Bye,
fight me God, fight with me people, fight me a pass me a talk, and me heart, me the fear, me the fraud.
Why is he sitting down? Him enjoy something? Him broke him foot or something? Alright, Mr. Two Coach.
Any coward step power get free by the beast when me gun prize bullet me and come I hit them in your face and bust out the beat them free. They don't want me rise, them don't want me survive. Them don't want see me make it, them want see me die.
If you don't want some more of them type of reaction, just let me know in the comment section, please. Just tell me which artist and which show, you see me? And we go find it and do it, you see it? Some live show we can do.
Who no ride with me, I go show a little light. Swallow my blood before me swallow my pride. I'm a Spartan soldier, my life is over. Raise and train for war. I'm a Spartan soldier till my life is over, till my heart can't beat no more. You ever tell us something?
Yeah.
Sparta the straight to danger, me walk in a graveyard. Any boy feel them, but I'm not brave. Try cause me pass, yeah, me gun them a take down. No mercy, I be sure when they want start. The woman don't spread them, put money for me. It's a Sparta go burn and I'm with me.
All when the boss now move, the boss around the stage.
Look. The truth me I preach to the youth me I reach. Every Gaza, every gully, every street. From my heart truth preach me I teach. Yet them I hate me, still them I breathe. Me head hell high to the sky. Mama don't cry if a son happy die. Smile, why don't stay from your wife. No worry my music.
Boss, so clean your fuck. So clean your fuck.
100 miles me walk with them I ride. My wife, my friends, my child. Heart of me said till the day I die. Skip that there, quick that there. What I know? Come on, your born straight, Bossa Blanca.
Yes.
Say Sparta. Gaza. When I say Sparta, you say yo.
Man, so clean your fuck. Alright. Gaza man crazy.
You know what me there? Show my fans them. You know what me there? You me telling us something? Me fans them crazy.
No, I'm insane.
Some boys in the link can feel and the link for the train. Y'all don't mess with the brain. Don't know what feel real. What I know.
Boss injured, but him still at work.
Look, all who know they're not bad man. More say one hand in our ears. Y'all telling us something? Watch your job, man. Some boy
just here to
we through the can't
move, boy. Move, boy.
Tell me something again. Me know say I be here. Bad people like you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I love black people. I love everybody in our world. You see anybody violate anybody in the crowd there, all over me there on me catch stick. You know I reach them. Yeah, anywhere you walk. If the fine people stare, they will let you in the dark. So me pray to me Savior, Level.
That the demon they run it, run it, G. 4 demon there, right there, some of them.
Put more bad boys then. Mobby, dear badness. Now go said. Yeah man, big up everybody who represents Snake this year. Love and respect on them. I'm glad me alive, you know. You know I'm going to tell them. Level. Yeah man. Yeah man say. I'm out go to some foot for us.
I've got there.
I foot they are paying me, you know. But I love music. You know I'm going to tell them say. Any boy this jam world. We will care like disappear. We the farmer will accept the error. Rev out the map like I want them.
1 foot the G, they find the yard.
Listen to me, mommy, do me something. It's not a fun when I pull out. That's what I make if you keep. Shut them off, low. Jumbo, rise, they put it to them. So you put the bends out, put it to them. Cause I'm Sparta, come in the soul, it's a part of something you want, put it to them.
What's the touch them, youth?
I'm a feast,
I'm not my feel so.
Can't believe what my eyes are seeing. Everybody wants sound like Tommy Lee. Me and the Sparta king them on a car. If you not come up star, we are Sparta. We support the party like a sponsor. You see the car and
Funny Rolex.
I never go low.
Finna go. Hey.
Look for the 24.
Rollings.
And we not take check. We smoke him along. From an area man straight was a black car.
Yeah.
I go. Can I hear me say Unofi was a black car? I go. Can I hear me say Unofi was a black car? Yeah, me telling you something.
One thing you demon them now left inside, you know. And make sure you say no job. Ah.
When me walk
I'm gonna be in the day, shut the rock. Uncle Demon alarm, nephew Demon.
Alright, level. Level. Big up every artist. Big up Wycliffe and 2 Chain. I love when you go represent Jamaica. I want my visa to go represent America too. Anybody who work at embassy in here, when I have a little pretty power, me and give me a visa to go play with. You see me? I want a visa to go play with. I tell her, I make some money, I make my youth them. Alright. Big up every artist deserve a visa. Music with free. I don't know. I do music for a living, to feed my youth them. I say Uncle Demon, but it's just a phase. Alright now, I have a reason
a character.
with it, because I have everybody else one time for reason with. You have big up Bounty Killer, you have Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer never kill a man from him bad. And he named Bounty Killer.
Yeah.
You have Ninja Man. Ninja Man now walk around with sword and a chop up people. Elephant Man and no elephant. Beanie Man and a real doctor. He might get them doctor still. But me have to get my things straight. Vibes Cartel. He man and a real daddy devil. He bust enough youth, make them can eat food. You see me? I don't want to say my lord evil. You don't know, I don't want to sing the girl song. You don't know having gone through them same way. Everybody play a character in a dance hall. I say my name Uncle Demon come on be different my youth.
Sure.
You see me? I can't come be Father Devil and I can't come be the killer. I have to just be my thing, cause my style unique, me different. You see me? But yo, people must learn to mind their business and grow their kids good, my youth. And stop blaming for the artists, them virgin. You no care, I know, say, you know have no kids as an artist say something.
I get a forward after that speech there.
And the mother them, you no just stop go out and waste no money and dance at night time. Big up the promoter them. And take care of the youth them. And make sure they go to school in the morning. You see me?
Give me something cross, you know.
I'm tired of take blame for all like foolish virgin. People want to live good and grow with them good in my future. I know one thing more and tell them, damn girl. I go. Take care of your ball for me.
Bobo clad!
Take that stuff and go hard. The girl that said it's not going to kick me loud.
Forward!
Over mom. We not take this, we not underdog. Skip that, they quit that, they stop hurting.
Take care of your ball for me.
Phone, you see me? Okay, I don't know.
Bumbo clot. Are you sang this now?
All who know. Listen now, Our Father, what in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, your wish shall be done. To your giving only Son, it's a few way we live in on. Children of demons, children of God, we all live in a world of destructions and fraud, conspiracies of silence and memories of war. Disguises that walk with them tall. Mister, why to your chest star? You gotta get a go arrest from a ton child molester. Destruction, violation, crime, waste and plunder. What the eyes don't see, the heart doesn't leak over. Protect me, Lord, right up my way. Why all them niggas is hating on me? Wannabes of dogs.
No rhythm.
What can I say? Them cold.
Yeah, them find something.
Officer intruder, you murder the murderer, but you can't murder. Fools are calling down demons and war. The more innocent you kill, is the more
level rhythm.
It's a fury. It's a fury. Hold on. Level. Yeah, man, me like a rhythm, they're running. Can you see a Christmas right now, you know?
Bumbo clock. Shelly Christmas, you must sing? Bumbo clock.
Wish you a Shelly Christmas. Everybody dead when Christmas. The war sick is not Christmas. Yeah, me tell you something. None of you don't move.
Face to the wall.
Everybody go sleep when everybody mother
Go ball.
Nobody now get free. I guess I just get sad. Boy in a machine. I guess I just get sad. I can't believe from Gaza. Step to the bush master. We go Friday. I go heavily disaster. Wish right your radar. Leave our head. What a number. Anywhere we never peace.
Level rhythm.
With the wannabes, feed them with jelly bees, kill them by enemies.
We have to feel laugh.
Ladies and
Gentlemen,
little girls and boys. Here comes Santa with grenade, no toys. Look your side cooking time, make the face look like fries. Well, I know, hey jungle, anywhere we target, when we want is a thunder. When we here for the bulldog, make shot fight no more.
Bumbo clap.
When it just start and I make talk. Never. You know one thing more, tell me again, jungle. Want them in now.
Want them in now.
Hey, boss.
Want them in now.
Want them in now. Well, I know. Level. A long time in a chat and read him. Level. Yeah, man. Well, on there. I'm going to get a little sit down and suck. I'm going to have a free up my foot liquor. Yeah, I'm going to tell you something. Level. Warpot get bubbly, circle them suddenly, leave them ends ugly with the case where we come.
Lord glad, thou shalt not trouble me. Thou shalt not trouble me.
Leave my death price fast with your night wake up from the way. Rise back some blocks, take me up, watch me the bitch bar. Then I rock to the little rough boy, she don't walk in a dead trap. A skinny scream like Shelly, link like silly, lady hook like. Yeah, me tell you something, Champion. About 15 protect we air at night.
Bumbo clap family. Oh man, evil bro. By the way, that was my evil face a while ago. This? Yeah, my evil face a while ago. So don't, yeah. Sorry.
Hey, Portmore, walk out with the puppy. The
puppy was jumpy.
Plaza 4 implement, boy, but they look
jumpy.
Them work with the witchcraft. Them skin get shit off.
See, Pata? Them man la. Yeah, the evil la.
Dear badness. Yeah, man, skip that there, quit that there. From now you're born straight, Bossa Blanca. Well, I know over this, sir. From now you're born straight, Bossa Blanca. Watch out, over here, sir. From now you're born straight, Bossa Blanca. Well, I know.
Help him up, help him up. Help him up.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you something, Bondsman. Watch this. Jumper. Come on. 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 Why not some of them want see me make them a why and me come on. All who don't like me and all who find out who don't see me. Level. You don't know. All who know they no bad mind and they work for their own. Want see one and in a year, so. One and in a year, all who know they work hard for their own money. And they don't want nobody free them for them own.
No, boy.
Cause them sweat for them bread. You want me tell you something?
Alright.
Money make
money make money. Nothing stop what them have in the
buy you, me say don't try.
like me.
And mine no get it. Tell me why you are free. You know we want oiga. We want paper. Big up our money.
Make up.
I down all who rise and no drop. You them are the future. We know what do.
Yo, bad. Bad. Goes bad. Big up yourself. Like me say, people, let me know which song you want me react to. Well, not song, which live performance you want me react to. Any artist, no matter where the artist. Once the artist shell the stage, give me the performance. You see me? Yeah, big up Tamili as always. Bad stage performer. All only on 1 foot, a bad stage performer. See me. You see me? Sorry. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, though. I'll catch you guys in the next one, alright? Peace.